I'm Tom Hand, the father of Emily Hand. She's 8 years old at the moment. She'll be 9 on the 17th of this month. Her birthday will be in the tunnels of the Hamas. There'll be no cake, no party, no friends. Sadder than that, she won't even know it's her birthday. She won't have any idea what day it is, whether it's day or night. She was, sometimes I think, I speak about her in past tense. I have to remember that she's alive and in Gaza. And I'm sorry if I speak about her in past tense sometimes. She was a fun-loving child, absolutely fun-loving child, loads of energy. Her passion was music, anything to do with music, dancing, singing, performing. Even though she was only 8, she had a fantastic sense of humour, a very adult sense of humour. She always had us laughing. Very funny little girl. Even my dog misses her. She used to use him as a pillow. Literally, stick her head down and fall asleep. Her thing was ears. When she was falling asleep, she'd always go for your ears. So even with the dog, she'd be doing this with his ears. Funny things that you miss. And now she's kidnapped in Gaza, along with many others. We're all here just to get as much support and sympathy to try and get these kidnapped people back. I want to hug Emily again, love her, fix her. If we ever get them back, they're going to need a lot of fixing, mentally and physically. But we'll do it. We'll do whatever it takes. I have a vision in my head of, I don't know what circumstances, but somehow someone releases her, and we run to each other like in the films. Oh, that could be amazing. I'm going to hold her forever. I'm never going to let her go again. I really want to thank the Irish government for everything they're doing. I know they're putting a lot of pressure from every angle that they can. I hope UNICEF are doing all that they can. And of course the Red Cross, I rang them at the beginning. At the beginning of all this, I rang the Red Cross and asked for, I didn't know this thing existed, but I asked for a proof of life. And from then till now, I haven't had a single phone call from them. don't know why. Even if they've got nothing, they could tell me they're doing the best that they can. We haven't managed to contact anyone. Just a phone call once a week would be nice. Sometimes some kind of contact, but nothing. Yeah, I don't know what they're capable of, what they can get done with the Hamas.